my cutest little NEET champions. I believe every one of you who is watching this video is doing absolutely good. So this is something that you have been asking me in the comment section, that is, ma'am, how to go about downloading the verification slip. So I'm going to talk about that over here, and it's not just going to be about that, it's going to be more about, what do you say, who can go ahead with downloading the verification slip. Not every one of you should be expecting that you will be getting your verification slip right away. Please do note that, and it's my promise, I'll make sure that there is no waste of time while watching this video. And addressing one more very important query that I've seen under the comment section for the NEET enrollment link video, that is, ma'am, there is mismatch issue, name mismatch issue, invalid detail is coming, what should I be doing? First of all, I truly understand what you're going through as of now. Listen to me very carefully. Since the deadline for the document verification process have come, it is said that until 8th you have to go ahead and do your document verification process, and since they have not given any official update about any sort of correction window or any sort of notice addressing this particular mismatch issue or invalid details issue, I'll request you to do one thing, and that is to go ahead and talk to KEA regarding this. The number is right over here, 080-234-60460. This is a number where you have to call and talk. I usually try from my end. I have tried today also, but apparently it didn't work. Today it's all down. Their network didn't work, and also the website which is there is completely down. I can probably show you right over here or later on. Okay, anyways, so this is how it works. Now listen to me very carefully. If calling does not help you, please make sure you mail them. If that also does not help, and I'm quoting it again, I'll try my best to see if they are putting any updates. I'll let you know about that then and there itself. You can trust me on that. Okay, and still if nothing works, then what you have to do is go to KA's office directly in Malleshwaram, Bangalore. I know it's going to be a difficult task for those of you who are not residing in Bangalore, but counseling is important for us. Our seat is important for us, which is why we might have to do it. As I said, only if no update comes. If it comes, I'll let you know about it. And if at all you do not want to miss out on any updates, do not forget to hit the subscribe button right now. And later on, if you wish, you can go ahead and unsubscribe as well. But getting to know the update is super important, right? Yes. Now, coming back to this particular thing, that is how to download the NEET verification slip. So listen to me carefully. The first process that you have right now that is common for all of you is registration. Right, registration. I hope every one of you have done it. You have given NEET examination, good. You have already registered for it. Some of you registered in the month of Jan-Feb, and probably some of you might have registered a month back or probably in the recent times. In that particular case, the next thing that you have to do is what? You have to link your NEET roll number with the NEET enrollment link that they had given. So you had to use that particular link and you had to link your NEET roll number. If you are someone who have not done it, I'm not talking about the children who are facing the mismatch issue and things like that. That is there, I do know, I'm keeping it aside. I'm talking about others who are able to do it but somehow not trying it yet. Please make sure you enroll your roll number out there. Once you have done that, then only you will be able to download your verification slip. So only if you have done this, you will be able to download your verification slip with NEET rank details in it. Now, let me tell you one more very important thing. Some children might not be able to download your verification slip right now. Why? Because some of you might be required to go ahead for the document verification process in the offline center in the KA office. So after your documents are being verified, then only you will be able to download your slip. Now, I do understand, I do not know, ma'am, who are the people who have to go, who are the people who do not have to go. So let's talk about it. But until now, I hope it's super clear for all of you. Before I go ahead with that, let me tell you how you can download your verification slip for all of you who are going to be able. Okay, so first of all, since they have not given any update about this is the place where you have to go and download the verification slip, this is something that I want you guys to try from your end. So go to KA's official website, and at the top, if you see, there is admissions. Okay, just give me a second. There is admissions. Go to UGCET. So there is UGCET and UG NEET. Go to UGCET, and in UGCET, you will be able to see this candidate activity link. you can click on candidate activity link. In that, all the links which are active would be coming. So there is verification slip download link which is there. It came on 12th, the previous month. So previous to previous month actually. But anyways, you can use the same link. I'm telling you again, I'm quoting it again. Listen to me carefully. If there is no separate link that has been given to you. So as far as I know, there was no separate links. By any chance you are able to see that during the enrollment process of your roll number, you can go ahead and download it there. But if not, then this is something that you have to try from your end. Any one of you who is able to download your verification slip using the same link, can you please comment it down the comment section such that other children also can take the best use of it. Yes, cool. Now, who can do it and who cannot? So scenario 1, already registered candidate before a few months. You are someone who have registered in the month of Jan or Feb. Ma'am, we had already downloaded the verification slip earlier. Do we need to do it again? Yes. If you are someone who have done with your document verification process and you had got your verification slip earlier, you would need to download a new verification slip which is there, because in this verification slip, you are going to have your NEET related details. And this is super important for the counseling process. I'm telling you again, with the older verification slip, you cannot participate. Okay, you would need the new verification slip along with the NEET details to participate in the counseling process. I hope that is done. Now, in the same scenario for the registered candidates who had registered before itself, there is one more question. Ma'am, we had registered before for CET, but didn't download the verification slip. Can we download it right now? So in this, I can bifurcate into two. In this also, I can bifurcate into two, A and B. In the A scenario, you are someone who basically have registered for CET, but did not download, and you had not claimed anything. You did not claim Kannada quota, rural quota, this quota, that quota. You didn't claim anything. And you had basically went for document verification also whenever it was required. Anyway, since you have not claimed for anything, there is no requirement for you to go for verification process right now also. Okay, since you have not claimed. In this case, you might be allowed to go ahead with downloading your verification slip. So you can also try downloading from the same link that I had shown you. Now, the next scenario is that basically you registered for CET, didn't download the verification slip because you didn't go for offline verification itself. You had claimed something. You had claimed Kannada, rural, linguistic or religious minority, any of these things. Or probably you had claimed for NRI ward, foreign nationals, any of these things. In this particular case, if you have claimed but have not verified, I'll request you to go visit the KA office from 4th of August to 8th of August. During this particular period, if at all you do so, if at all you get your documents verified, then only you will be allowed to download the verification slip. Repeating again, if you are someone who have registered and not downloaded your verification slip and have not claimed for anything also, it's okay. You do not need to go for verification and all. Basically, you can download your verification slip with the same link which I've showed you. Okay, if that is working. Or if they come up with something else, I'll let you know. Now, on the other hand, if you had registered before and you had claimed something and you have not produced the documents for that, why will KI believe you? They will not. You would have to go do your document verification process. Post that, you are going to get your verification slip. I hope it's super clear to you. Done. And now the next scenario which is there is for newly registered candidates. Ma'am, how do we have to download the verification slip? You are someone who again have not claimed for anything. Okay, nothing. You have not claimed for NRI, you have not claimed for Kannada, rural, anything out there. In that particular case, you can just go and use the same link that is there if it's working. Now, if you are someone who have claimed, then there is one very important thing for you guys. That is, you would have to go to the KA office or you would have to go to St. John's Medical College. Either way, depending on what are you claiming for. If you're claiming for NRI ward, foreign nationals, you would have to go to KA office. If you are someone who is newly registered and who had claimed for Kannada, rural or minority, religious minority, linguistic minority, again, KA office, you would have to go there. If you are someone who is claimed RC2 to RC8, okay, in St. John's Medical College, you would have to go to St. John's Medical College out there. Get it? So this is very, very important. And before going there, you would have to book your slots. Again, the slot booking link is also somehow not visible out there. You can go to the candidate activity links. There also slot booking link would be there. You can try booking your slots from that particular link. I hope that is super clear to you. If you're a newly registered candidate, have not claimed anything, you need not be worried. I think you can go ahead and try downloading the verification slip. If you're not able to, please do wait. Do not be panicked. If they come up with any other update about it, we'll definitely be letting you know about it. Got it? And do not forget to hit the subscribe button for getting to know about it. Cool. I hope this is super clear to all of you, and I hope I have answered most of your doubts. If you have anything that is persisting in your head, please put it down in the comment section, and everyone, make sure you help each other in it, right? It's all important for every one of you, so do so, and take care. Lots of love from Jasmine ma'am. Bye-bye.